Recording.
So we've got a 960 encoder, 2048 PPR, 11-bit grey code with a PP output, which is wired up in a terminal block from LSB down to the LSB, which is then plugged into the test box via a 25-pin D connector. The plus volts and the 0 volts are wired up separately to a power supply so it can show whether it's shorted or not. So this is the test box. On the side you've got a switch. Down is for PP output for pull down resistors. Up is for pull up resistors for OC. As this one is a PP, we'll have it down. We'll turn it on. Automatically it's in run state, so we have to stop it, and is automatically set to binary. So as this is a grey code, swap it to grey code. Turn the encoder on, and we need to set the limits for the encoder. So lowest limit, holding low, so it's flashing. Turn to 0. And then holding till it bleeps. And do the same with the highest limit. So the highest is 2047, holding down high. And again, press the load button. So now they're set the limits. So we run it. As we're running. So then hold down the low again, but press run. And now the test is set and is running. The right hand side is showing the output of the test. The right hand side is direct from the encoder. Let it run through a couple of times just to make sure that there's no errors.
What's that?
And we can speed it up just to make sure that there's no errors once sped up. Seems fine. Slow it back down. It does go down as low as 3 RPM, but we're testing it at 5, and seems fine. So we've stopped the test. So now we're going to try and contaminate the disc to show you an error. I'm just going to put a thin little washer on to show. I'll redo the test. So turn the motor on. Again, holding low and run. And it's picked up the error straight away. So we start it again. And as the washer's gone round, it's picked it up and it's erroring on 1574. So you find which output that is and look at what it is. So we start that, stop it. You can take the washer off. We can do the test now. If there's a short between two output channels, it will pick that up as well. So I'll go to, and it's errored, and it'll error. As you see, I've taken it off and it'll error until the test is cycled through again and stops again. And stop. And that's how the test station works.